This is a step-by-step video showing you how you can easily log into two apps and drive at the same time. First, open your Tada Driver app and go online. Remember that if you plan to on two apps at the same time, please do not turn on the auto dispatch feature on Tada. Now, press the home button to return to your home screen. Go into the secondary driver app and go online. Right now, you are already online on both apps and can receive incoming drops on both apps at the same time. If you are currently driving on another app and you receive a Tada drop, the Tada drop card will appear on your screen like that. If you wish to accept the order, press Accept. Remember to go back to the secondary driver app to go offline so that you will not receive any drops from them until you have completed the Tada job. To return to Tada job, simply press on the home button again and enter the Tada app. Now, you can navigate to the rider by pressing on this yellow navigation button. The Tada app will automatically navigate you to the rider. When you have arrived at the rider's location and wish to return to the Tada app, simply press on the dark blue Tada logo and return to Tada. When you have arrived, slide I've arrived. Press Confirm. Remember to slide Pickup only when the customer has boarded your vehicle. When the trip has ended, slide Drop Off and press Proceed. Send. You may wish to review your customer, or you may also skip the review. Now you can return to the secondary driver app and go online again.